Good morning, everybody. This is Linda Ryder. I'm here with Gretchen Moen and Jen Ryder. We are off the cuff for Cut the Clutter RVA. We are at the beach today. We were thinking it was going to be beautiful and we were planning on filming out there, but alas, there's a rainstorm. So we found this crab pot Christmas tree, put it up, and we thought we would come and talk to you guys about how 2020 is looking different and maybe some of the ways we can bring some of the normalcy back and make it festive. So with that in mind, we put together 4 quick tips for you guys. Gretchen and Jen are going to start us off by sharing.
So the first step is to sort your items by season or by holiday. So maybe you want to have all of your fall things in one box, your winter things in another box, and your spring things in a third box.
Step 2 is you're going to want lots of storage bins. Eliminate those cardboard boxes if you can. They tend to deteriorate over time. And clear bins are great. Label them according to the seasons and things that Jen talked about. The third step is, I'm forgetting, yes, right, keep like items together, right? So if you have 2 trees, say you have one in your hallway and one in your living room like one of our lovely clients does, keep all of those items for those trees, like that hallway tree, keep them all together. And makes it putting that tree up super easy. The lights, the ornaments, everything's together, really well labeled. If you have 4 boxes for that tree, label them 1 of 4, 2 of 4, 3 of 4, 4 of 4. Common sense, but it makes it super easy to know what you have. So,
yes. And finally, number 4, one of the things that we all find in our attics or storage areas at Christmas time is special memories that are sentimental to us for whatever reason, and we don't necessarily want to display them, but we find ourselves year after year going through these boxes over and over. So what I would suggest is create one box that says special memories, and then that way you can put everything in there that, whether it's your great grandmother's or whoever gave it to you over the years, it's special. You can visit it whenever you want to, or if it's something you want to pass on to someone, you'll always know exactly where to find it and you won't have to dig through everything else. So just a helpful little tip, and really understand that whenever you're getting your holidays and everything organized, that the power is really when you put everything back up. Make sure that you're labeling and really taking the time, because that's the power of a well-organized space. Hope you all have a great day.
And don't forget, book by November 30th and we'll give you 10% off.
Book by November 30th and we'll give you 10% off. Fantastic. Anything else?
that's it.
That's it. Thanks for joining us for another edition of Off the Cuff with Cut the Clutter RVA.